Hello, fellow gamers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we have something that's going to revolutionize your gaming experience: the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard. But before we dive into the details, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our exciting reviews. Let's get into it. Behold the Razer Huntsman Mini, a gaming keyboard that's all about unleashing your potential on a different scale. With cutting-edge Razer optical switches, this 60% compact keyboard offers lightning-fast actuation and a whole lot more. To kick things off, Razer optical switches are the star of the show here. They use light-based actuation, registering your key presses at the speed of light. That's 30% shorter actuation distance than other Clicky switches at just 1.5 millimeters. And yes, they provide that satisfying, clicky feedback we all love. But it's not just about speed, it's about style too. The Razer Huntsman Mini fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30 partners. With support for 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys, you can create your very own gaming masterpiece. The keyboard's casing is built like a tank, featuring a matte, aluminum top frame that increases its structural integrity. You can tell this keyboard is designed to withstand long hours of intense gaming. Let's talk durability. The keycaps are made of oil-resistant double-shot PBT, which is not only textured for a premium feel but also highly resistant to long-term grime buildup. Plus, you'll never see the labeling wear off. Now, if you're into customizing your gaming experience, the Razer Huntsman Mini has you covered. Razer Hypershift allows you to remap all keys and keypress combinations to execute complex commands, giving you the upper hand in games. Just look at some of the features: Razer optical switches for speed, and aluminum construction for durability. A detachable Type-C cable for convenience, and even onboard memory to save your profiles and lighting effects. It's like a gaming dream come true. In conclusion, the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard is a true game-changer for gamers who demand speed, precision, and style. It's compact, powerful, and built to last. If you're ready to level up your gaming experience, this keyboard should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the Razer Huntsman Mini. If you have any questions or thoughts about this incredible gaming keyboard, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off. Game on!